guys, a very good morning and welcome to Power Breakfast. I'm Pavitra Parekh. Those are all of the top headlines that we're tracking for you this morning. So clearly we have lots to get to after that midweek holiday, and we are getting pretty mixed kind of handover from Wall Street because a lot of the earnings disappointed. But what's positive is that Asia is looking well in the green. All of those markets are actually in the green. So the Hang Seng is leading those. It is up 2.8%. It's come off a little bit. It was up over 3%, but solid start for the Hong Kong market. Taiwan is up on your screen, 1.6% higher. Kospi is also doing well. It's around 1.5% in the green. And across the board, you're seeing all of the Asian markets in the green right now. Even something like a Nikkei in Straits, which was struggling in the early sort of minutes of opening, are now all in positive territory. The SGX Nifty will also come up for you, by the way. And take a look at it with the Nifty futures close that we got, and it is indicating a big bump up at the start of the trading session. Over 250 points is what we have on that one. So that's what's really going on with Asia. But let's talk about the U.S. markets now. Wall Street ended Wednesday's trading session mixed. So the Dow Jones ended flat. The S&P 500 closed with a 28-point cut, and the tech-heavy Nasdaq ended 2% lower. CNBC's Sarah Eisen is here with a wrap of all of that action from Wall Street.
Big earnings disappointments from two of the country's biggest tech companies were a drag on the wider market today. The tech sector as a whole was one of the biggest losers in the S&P. The Dow closed nearly flat for the day. The S&P 500 down nearly 0.75%, but the Nasdaq, which is dominated by tech names, fell the most, just over 2%. Shares of Google parent Alphabet lost over 9% after its profits and revenues both came in below expectations late Tuesday. Spending on ad revenue, especially for YouTube, came in below estimates. It was the company's worst day since the beginning of the pandemic back in March 2020. And Microsoft dropped over 7%. Its earnings came in above estimates, but the company's outlook for the future disappointed investors. The tech giant CEO said weak PC demand continues to hit Microsoft's consumer segment. That's the action from the U.S. market. Back to you in Mumbai.
All right, Sarah, thanks a lot for getting us all of